Aaron,
My name is Derek.
and we're ULI,
Urban
Lifestyle Investments. And today in this video, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency with the crash that's going on right now currently. Let me just tell you right now, with cryptocurrency, it is definitely the future. Don't get it twisted. Cryptocurrency is going to build up a lot of value long term. So to all the investors and to everyone else at home that's watching this or wherever you're at, this is by far not financial advice, but please do your research and your due diligence and look into the many stable coins that are out there and also look at the market cap because that's highly important when you're looking into each coin. But right now, if I was you, like I said, it's not financial advice. Be patient and just kind of watch it and see what's going on around the market, especially in the crypto market, because right now it's so volatile. It'll be up one day and super low the next. But if you pay attention to the patterns, right now we're in a bear market and it's going down as the days progress. So please, do your research and your own due diligence. You want to take it away from here, Derek?
Yeah, so with cryptocurrency right now, I still look at it as the future. I'm still very passionate about it. I'm always looking at cryptocurrency news at least 4 times out of the week just to see what's going on with like the metaverse, the crypto coins. But right now, I have been even myself as an investor a little bit scared because I've been looking at it and just thinking like, are we gonna end up having to worry about crypto being wiped out? Right now, Robert, the guy who wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad, he said that over 50% of the USA will be wiped out due to the cryptocurrency crash. And the thing about it is, I'm not really sure if that would be the case, but if it does happen, my advice right now with crypto is like what Aaron said, is just wait and just see what happens. It's very volatile market, and you really just don't know. And a lot of stuff is happening with cryptocurrency. Like currently, right now, California is making it where they're gonna go ahead and have regulations where they'll talk about there are certain frauds that happen with cryptocurrency. They're trying to alert people what things to look for, or, basically how to invest in crypto the safe way. I think regulations are really important because that also makes investors a little bit more at ease. Like, oh, okay, crypto is becoming more of a thing. We can get used to it. You have more banks, more places that are using it. You also have schools where you can pay for tuition with cryptocurrency. So crypto is still the future. People are still going to be paid into it. Right now, I feel like we're just at a point where we may be seeing our first real kind of stock market crypto crash. And that's a frightening situation because we may find ourselves where a lot of us, if we're heavily investing in crypto, we may end up not having much money. For me right now, I have some money investing in crypto and I have lost money, but it hasn't really got me to a point where I don't want to invest in crypto anymore. I'm just moving in more of a more smart and strategic way where I'm kind of looking at one day, okay, how's Ethereum? How's crypto? Far as Bitcoin? Let me just kind of take a minute and see what is going on. Do I want to do a little bit of cost over average? Do I want to put a little bit of money in here? I'm just kind of taking my time and seeing if it's worthwhile. And I'm looking at the market daily. I spend about half an hour daily kind of looking and seeing what's going on in the actual news when it comes to crypto. You want to chime in on there a little bit?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So right now, currently, Bitcoin is at 3,400. I mean, $34,000 right now. So that, ladies and gentlemen, in itself, that is super low. But if I was you, like I said, this is not financial advice by any means necessary. Be patient because it's only going to go lower. This market, like Derek said, is very volatile. So there's going to be moments where it goes very high up in value and where it also goes very low in value. But if you look at it overall, in the cryptocurrency market, it's going in a very bearish direction. So be very careful about how you invest into different cryptocurrencies and just be patient. Patient, patience is the key when it comes to this kind of stuff because you don't want to lose your money and you want to scoop it up. The cryptocurrency, you want to scoop that up, at its very lowest point. So when the market does recover, you'll start to see those very impressive gains over time, and your money will probably quadruple, long term. So just be very careful what you invest in, and do your research and due diligence. Is there anything else, Derek, you want to talk about from there?
Yeah, so I did heard Bitcoin may get as low as about 26,000. I'm not really sure if that's going to happen, but if it does, that really is going to scare off a lot of investors. If it is the case, if we continue to head in on this, and we'll do a video on this too with inflation, with the rising gas prices, and then with the interest rates going up, and we start to see kind of this upward spiral, instead of a downward spiral, upward spiral at the moment of income going, interest rates going high, and people having to spend more money instead of groceries costing like $100, being more like $200, or gas being as low as like $1 in 2020, now at $4 in, well, we're in Minnesota, so that's the reason why that's cheap. But like in California, maybe like $7. So I can understand why folks are like, investing is not important right now. I'm not going to do it. So I can see how, especially with crypto, they're like, oh, heck no, I'm going to invest in my dividends, mutual funds, index
Mm-hmm.
funds, because that's stable. So with cryptocurrency, like Aaron said, the best thing is just to watch and just look out. Don't get to the point where you don't want to invest in it anymore, but just be very mindful how you invest, because that's the key to investing in cryptocurrency. Remember, only invest in cryptocurrency far as it with Bitcoin and Ethereum or other ones, only if you had the money to lose. And that's the big thing. If you have money to lose, and I probably the best thing during a recession, but if you can lose $50 to $100, I mean, okay. But if you can't, then relax a little bit and say,
Right.
I'm gonna look at this and see what happens. Anything else?
Yeah. Like Derek said, just take it easy. Looking into the stock market and the cryptocurrency market right now during this recession, like I said, it's going in a very bearish direction, which is going on the downside. So, just be careful. Um, and like we said, do your research and your due diligence, and just pay attention. Just pay attention to the cryptocurrencies that you love the most, and just see what direction that they're going in. Like I said, there's moments where it can go up, and there's moments that it can go down. It's very volatile for sure, but just take it easy. If anything, invest in an index fund, or create another bank account for yourself as an emergency fund to just save until right now. Until later on. In regards to the markets, because right now it's going in a downtrend. So just spend your money wisely, and let everything else take its course. And if you enjoyed this video, or if you picked up any points of what Derek or myself said to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment for some feedback, and please share with your families and friends. And until next time, we'll catch you on the next video.
Peace.
Peace.